Guess who's back? Back again. Scooby's back. Tell some friends. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? What you're saying, it's Reece from Race Planet, and she's back in full effect, ready for car season, ready for show and shines, ready for track days, ready for everything. As you can see, she's had a bit of a makeover, and I'm more than happy with how she looks now. Again, same as before, running about 450 brake now. She's going in to have a little bit of a tweak on the map, so that figure might go a bit higher, but how she is now, I'm happy. What do you think? Drop a comment below. Do you like this colour, or did you prefer it when it was black? Let me know. Peace. Now that the Subaru's back, look out for interviewing the Subaru, reaction cams, and plenty of videos with me and the little princess. Say hello. Saying people, Subaru says back.
Make sure to subscribe, guys. Peace out.
Toma.